supposed to sizzle.
Whoa, look at that. Singular bibimbap. 불고기.
Step 1 of bibimbap. 불고기. So awesome. Oh, it sizzled. Sizzle, sizzle. Oh no, I dropped a little gogi. Hold on. Egg. Step 2 of bibimbap. Egg. With sesame oil. Many eggs.
Look at that egg cracking skill.
You don't need skill to crack an egg. If you can't crack an egg, don't cook.
Oh.
Okay.
Good thing I could crack an egg.
This is taking too long, so I'm just gonna scramble it. But if you're more patient than me, just fry an egg, sunny side up. Okay. Step 3 of bibimbap. All the vegetables and sides you have in your house. Also, check if it's spoiled. It's almost getting spoiled, but not there yet. Okay, these stuff smell good. Step 4 of bibimbap. Rice. Last step, sauce. Gochujang sauce, and then mix. Okay, are you ready to try?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the rule is you can't put it in a little bowl. You just gotta eat it straight off. 이렇게. 이렇게 그냥 먹어.
Barbaric.